How to delete duplicate files while uploading to Google Drive. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great, so let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up your web browser, tap on the search bar. Now search for Cloud Duplicate Finder. Now open up the first website. Now sign up with your Google account. Now select your account, click on continue. Now tap on add new drive. Now go to Google Drive and click on add new drive. Now choose your account. Now click on continue. So here you can find the duplicate files. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or want to suggest a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.